doing?
Chasing a butterfly.
Oh, I love butterflies. They're so delicate but keep fluttering and flitting and flying.
I know. Right now, I'm looking for a Sodor skipper.
A Sodor skipper? I thought we were looking for butterflies.
We are. A Sodor skipper is a really big purple butterfly.
Purple, like me? Electric!
Not here. Over there! It's amazing!
Wow, they get scared easily.
Maybe they're just not ready for someone as fast as you.
Good point. I won't go fast. That one over there is purple!
It is a Sodor skipper! Well, it was.
Maybe she heard you coming?
I might have been too loud. Okay, so we need to be slow.
And quiet. Look over there!
Where? Slowly, slowly. Getting closer, closer. So beautiful.
So perfectly purple.
Look out! I guess no matter how slow or how quiet we are, we're always going to scare away the Sodor skippers.
But it sure was fun looking.
There's one on your head.
Electric.
This rocks.